Hello everyone. In this video, we will guide you on how to turn on or off apps for websites in Windows 10. Apps for websites are a lesser-known feature of Windows 10. You can open websites or links within apps with Web2App links instead of using a browser. Depending on the link, it may appear in Microsoft To Do, Microsoft Teams, Maps, etc. if those apps are installed on your system, or you may be prompted to open it in an app rather than a browser. An app can sometimes provide a better and richer experience with added benefits than a browser. As a result, the Apps for Websites feature is enabled by default. If you don't like the default behavior or want to try changing it, Windows 10 allows you to enable or disable the Apps for Websites feature. Depending on your preference, you can change this feature on Windows 10. Here is how to do it. How to enable or disable apps for websites in Windows 10. To turn on or off apps for websites in Windows 10, first, open Windows 10 settings using Windows +I hotkey or any other method you prefer to use. When Windows Settings opens, click on Apps. Then, on the left pane, click on the Apps for Websites option. On the right pane, you can see apps and associated website links. Just turn on or off the toggle switch beside an app to enable or disable the feature. That's it. Let me know via comment how this video is. Do you like more videos like this? Subscribe to our channel Garip Windows. Goodbye. See you in the next video.